Hello guys, welcome back to Robu. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. In the previous video we learned about publishers and subscribers. In this video we'll learn about how to interface Lidar with ROS on Raspberry Pi. So stay tuned. So let's start our first step, which is finding out where the Lidar is connected. So let's catch it. So it is TTY USB 0 we found out with this command, and then we'll give it a permission with sudo chmod. So that's done. The next step is go into the source directory, and you can see there is already a my robot tutorials package there. You need to create a new package named ROS Lidar. So let's do that. It's Lidar, and let's import some dependencies with it. Let's do that. STD messages and sensor messages, and press the enter key. Yeah, now you can see the whole output, which means that we are done with this step. And let's initialize the workspace, catkin init workspace, and you can see it had created a symlink. You can see we have files called cmake.list here. Now let's clone the Slamtech thing into our library, into our Raspberry Pi. You can see we are getting an error in catkin make, which is building the file. Now let's unlink the cmake list so we can build the complete file into our system. This specifically means complete installation. I did some error. Let me correct this. I'm not sure how to get out of this. Maybe quit. Ask. Okay, what I'm doing? Let's type some random words. Am I getting? I think no. I think some error I'm getting. Okay. Should I press enter? Okay. I think now I'm out. Okay. Now you can see there is no cmake.list.txt because we have unlinked it. Now I'll go into source and do catkin make again by coming out of the source file. Now you can see we are building these three packages. Let's complete the building process. Let it happen. Now let's source it by doing devel setup.bash and start the whole thing. Now you can see the RP Lidar is connected here. It is showing the health status. Lidar help is okay and everything else. It is not showing any error, which means it is connected. Opening a next terminal, we will just see what kind of topics we have. So ROS out and ROS out ag are the basic topics default, and we are getting an extra scan which is due to our Lidar. Now let's echo this, which will print the Lidar data. So this is all Lidar data, which is random for us at the moment because we are not properly getting the kind of data we need. Now you can see we have these different packages here. Let's move forward and do ROS Lidar, enter it and enter the source file, and we'll create a file called scan.py. By doing sudo nano we'll edit that file after creating it. Let's write our first line, which is hash exclamation user bin n, and which is our environment is python 3. So let's do python 3, and now comes importing all the dependencies here, which is rospy and sensor messages. We need to import a dependency called, I think it's laser scan. Yeah. Now let's write a function called def callback by writing def callback, and callback is a function name with a parameter message, and print length of the message or the data we are getting from the Lidar. Now let's create a node. You know how to create a node, init underscore node, and let's give it a name, for example scan underscore values. But it's not the only parameter we need here. We also need to create this subscriber, right? Because we are subscribing to a topic which is already created. So let's subscribe to the scan topic which we saw before. Let's subscribe to that topic and give it the parameter laser scan because we are getting laser data, and then print it. So we are basically printing the length of the message ranges, what we are getting, the laser data, the length of the laser data, length of the Lidar's data. That's the correct thing to see. Let's start it. So currently you can see you're not getting anything, you're getting an error because we've not started the Lidar ROS core or ROS run, you can say. And let's start that. Where is it? Okay, yeah, now I've started the launch file, and now as I start it, you can see this is 1153, which is the length of our Lidar data. So let's understand how to get these Lidar data. As we know that Lidar takes data from all the direction, which is 360 degree, but we don't need that. What we need is data from specific angles of the Lidar. So let's again do sudo nano scan.py, and now put some ranges in it. Let's put some ranges. So as we learned, we need to get data from specific angle. We need to get distance data from specific angle. That's how you can make sense of all the Lidar data and all the mapping we are getting from the Lidar. So let's print it. What is it? Let's write it down. Okay, value at 0 degree, and next the other one is value at let's say 90 degree, and then let's do one more, which is our value at 180 degree. Let's start over with it. Let's do this, but before that we need to specify a few things. Here we have, okay, here we don't have the length thing. We directly print the message because we don't need length now, we need the direct data from that specific angle. Let's cancel it. For 0 it's 0, for 90 it's 360, and for 180 it would be 719. Yeah, 719. So yeah, now let's save this and let's start our ROS launch while launching the rplida.launch file. Okay, it's okay. This I need to restart it in a different terminal, I guess. Mm, yeah, I need to do that. Okay. Yeah, now it's working. Now it's working. Okay. Now let's launch our file, which is scan.py using Python 3. Let's write it down. Python 3 scan.py and enter. And you can see we are getting value at different angle data, which is 0 degree, 90 degree, and 180 degree. This is a specific distance value at those angles. And that's it. So hey guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. For more ROS videos like this, you can tell me in the comment section what more kind or this kind of videos you want in for the future topics in ROS, or some feedback about the series of how it's going. So that's it. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, stay tuned at Robu.in.